Dear students, in previous lecture we discussed about multiplicative and affine cipher, Playfair cipher, polyalphabetic substitution cipher, example of Vigenère cipher, security of Vigenère. Now today in this video lecture we will discuss about steganography, rotor cipher machines, transposition cipher, double transposition cipher. First we define what is the steganography. The main objective of the steganography hide a message in another message. Example, hide your plaintext in a graphic image. Each pixel has 3 bytes specifying the RGB color. The least significant bits of pixels can be changed greatly, affecting the image quality. So can hide message in these LSB means least significant bits. Advantages: hiding existence of message, drawback: high overhead required for the hiding the message. Example, the picture is given like parrot this. Some pixel is hidden, so this is encrypted form. Red, green, blue is values is given in this way. So take 64 multiply 480 equal to 307200 pixel image. Using only one LSB can hide 115,200 characters. Using 4 LSB can hide 460,800 characters. So we explain here the rotor cipher machines. Before modern cipher, rotor machine were most common complex cipher in use. Widely used in WW2, World War II, used in series of rotating cylinders. Implemented a polyalphabetic substitution cipher of period K with 3 cylinders, K equal to 26 power 3 equal to 17,576 and 17,576 permutation possible. With 5 cylinder, K equal to 26 to power 5 and 12 into 10 to power 6. What is the key? If the adversary has a machine, the adversary does not have it. The rotor machine like that. After second rotation, A, B, C, D, E, F. After first rotation, initial position, rotor. Now rotor is rotate different. Suppose in the first initial position, A is rotated to C, B is same to B, C is rotated to F, D is rotated to E, E rotated to A, F is D. Now, next, after the first rotation, A to A, B to E, C to D, D to F, E to C, F to B. After the second rotation, this. So, a systematic of IGMA machine, Lagarde, first rotor, middle rotor, slow rotor, and reflector, and different key are used. Apply the plug board. So we find a encrypted message. IGMA rotor machine like that. Here use the rotors, lamp boards, key boards, and plug boards. Using this machine, rotor machine, we encrypt the message. Transposition cipher, we also called permutation cipher. Here we discuss about transposition cipher. Transposition cipher is also known as permutation cipher. Shuffle the plain text without altering the actual letter used. Example, row transposition cipher. Transposition cipher simple. Transposition cipher which are used in the past are keyless. A good example of keyless cipher using the first method. is the real fence cipher. The ciphertext is created reading the pattern row by row. For example, to send the message, meet me at the park, the Bob Ellis writer. Without key, we using the transposition cipher, we encrypt the message like that. Meet me means M, second E, like that. We write the characters up like that. See, learn the creates the ciphertext like that. M E M E M A T E A K E T E T H P R. Now the ciphertext like that. This. Now, using the transmission cipher, we also use the transmission table. Alice and Bob can agree on the number of columns and use the second method. Alice write the same plain text row by row in the table of 4 columns. So, meet me at the park, we can write in 4 columns of these sentences. So MEET, MEAT, THEK are K. Now see the create the ciphertext like that. Column wise MMTAEEHREAEKTTP. So it's also keyless transposition cipher. Now the cipher in previous slide in actually at transposition cipher that following show the permutation of each character in the plain text into the ciphertext based on the position. 1 like 1, 2 like 5, 3 like 9, 4 like 13. The second character in the plain text has moved in the 5th position in the ciphertext. The third character has moved in the 9th position and so on. Although the characters are permuted, there are pattern of the permutation 1, 5, 9, 13, 2, 6, 10, 13, 3, 7, 11, 15 and 8, 12. In each section we differentiate. Difference between two adjacent number is 4. Key transposition cipher. The keyless cipher permute the characters by using writing plain text in one way and reading in the another way. The permutation is done on the whole plain text to create the whole ciphertext. Another method is to divide and plain text into group and predetermined size called block and then use the key to permute the characters in each block separately. So key transposition cipher like that. Alias need to send message enemy attack tonight. The Bob enemy attack to the night. The key used for encryption and decryption is permutation key, which show how two characters are permuted. Encryption 31452. The permutation is like that. EEMYN attack. So first we write these sentences in form of matrix. ENEMYATTAC, next KSTONIGHTJ. Now the key value 3. So third column is E and next is letter EMYN. Combining two approaches. Write row by row. Alias the right plain text, write row by row EAKINTCHMAOTYC and Z. Now using the key. Third using the one place, first using the second place, second using the fifth place, fourth using the third place, and fifth using the fourth place. Third to 1, 1 to 2, 4 to 3, that is key is given. After this, Read column by column. ETTHEAK. This is the given ciphertext. This ciphertext is transmitted with the insecure channel. After receiving the ciphertext, write column by column. Write column by column. And apply the decryption of given key according to key. One is written to third position. Second is written to first position. Third is given to fourth position. Fifth is given to fourth position. And fifth is to given it to fifth position. After writing this column, we read row by row and find the same original text. Now summarize again. Key transposition cipher, we use key 3 1 3 2 1 1 2 2 4 2 3 5 2 4 2 2 5. Now given send message enemy attack tonight. So first alias, this write the plain text in form of row by row. After write the row by row, we apply the encryption key 3 to 1 1 to 2 4 to 3 5 to 4 2 to 5. After applying this key, encrypted message form like that. This encrypted message transmit with the help of insecure channel. After receiving the ciphertext, we write column by column, and this column by column apply the decryption key. After decryption, we read the matrix row by row and find the original message. Now, similarly, we use double transposition cipher. First alias, apply the plain text, write row by row, remove the columns, read the column by column. Middle text, after receiving the ciphertext. Next, we apply write row by row, remove the column, read by column by column. So after the second step, second phase, we receive the ciphertext, send the ciphertext. After receiving the ciphertext, Bob use the column by column, commute the column according to key, read by row, middle text, find. Then we write the column by column, and next we apply the permutation column, then read row by row, and after this we find the original plain text. Thank you. In the next lecture, we will discuss about middle block cipher, block versus stream cipher, ideal block cipher, component of modern block cipher.